let's line our cake tins together so that we can try and make sure we get straight sides when we bake our cakes. Okay, I'm Yvette from Enchanted Cakes by Yvette, and I have been baking cakes for many years now. I've been in business since 2016, and I've literally done thousands of cakes. Okay, so if you're still using your parchment paper like this is how I started out for many years. Rolling it around, making sure it was a little bit longer than our tin. Fold it in half. Cut it down the centre. And then what I also do is fold this edge up and then trim into it here. Okay, now also you want to cut right through, okay, so that you have a split in your lining so that you've got room for it to expand. So we'll just line our tin here just with some spray, oil spray. Just place it on the inside here, gently. Try slowly smoothing it down along the sides just till it sits flat on the bottom there. Just press them to the side. And get our other piece. Slowly just fold it in. Okay, and you may just need to spray a little bit where the overlap is, just so it helps stick in place. And same on the other side. Okay, and then now we'll also cut the bases out. So again, we've just got our baking paper here. We've got our tin. And what we're doing is just lining it up the edge there, and we'll just trace around it so we get one full circle. And then what I'm going to do is just fold it back on itself here. Just so we can do more than one at a time. Okay, so we're just making it very efficient. A good use of our time. So just cut that off. Fold this again. Okay, and now we'll be able to just cut around our circle line here. Just on the inside there. Okay, you want it a little bit smaller than what you've drawn onto the paper. That way it'll fit nicely inside your tin. Okay, get rid of the excess. And then we'll put them away. So we've already cut 6 at once. And we'll just pop that inside. Okay, and now it's ready to go. Okay, now recently I have discovered these tin liners. Okay, so fine baking paper from Papyrus & Co. Works a treat as well. Okay, so all we need to do is measure around our tin again. Okay, cut it a little bit larger again, just so you've got that overlap. And then once again, just cut this in half. And now we've already got our pre-cut circles. So we'll just spray our tin. Pop in our paper. Okay, and this one, there's no need for all the extra folding and cutting I found. Just put some extra spray on there for where the overlap is. Okay, you want to make sure you do stick down that edge because you just don't want cake batter getting in between there. Okay, now we can just stick our base in as well. So that's a bit quicker and easier again, and they're both ready to go. Okay, so that's how we like to line our tins. Okay, they help get nice straight sides for your cake to bake up. Again, that will also depend on the kind of cake batter you've got, how much you've put in your tin, how long you bake it for, and temperature as well of your oven. Okay, so lots of things to think about. Thanks for joining me today. Again, I'm Yvette from Enchanted Cakes by Yvette. If you like this and want to see more tutorials, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the little bell button so you get notified each time we have a new episode come out. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye for now.